Hi there. Tim here with Webex Events. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to learn a little bit more about our platform. I want to go through some high level features and functions that are built into Webex Events that will help you run more engaging in person, virtual, and hybrid events. Whether you're a small business or a Fortune 100 enterprise, we can be that partner for you. Let's get started where most events start with registration. Now, the registration page is highly customizable. You can change things like the background image, logos, and colors, providing the customization needed to make sure it matches your brand. You can create and customize ticket types, access codes, and checkout forms to make the registration experience exactly what you need. Use our conditional logic to make sure you're only asking relevant questions, like only asking for meal preference if someone is attending in person. Now that we're registered, let's get into the event app experience. We'll start with the mobile app. Now, we're in the same event we just registered for, and you'll notice all the branding is carried over into the event. This is fully customizable as well. And if we take a quick scan of a few other events, notice completely different looks from unique icons, which features are being used, what the features have been named, to the overall color scheme. You can customize to meet your needs. You can even customize who can see what. Maybe set up a special set of features only your VIP guests can experience, or show certain banner ads to certain attendees for a custom experience. Now, we want the mobile app to enhance the experience your attendees have at your event. Things like the agenda can show attendees what's happening now, they can filter through specific tracks, and build out their own custom agenda. Inside each agenda item, we can embed things like chat, polling, Q&A, and even use some of our partners like Slido. You can link to the map to show attendees exactly where a session will take place for an in-person event. Connect to a speaker's profile or website, link to resource documents, surveys, or anything you like. Now, all that information doesn't have to live in the agenda. You can create dedicated speaker profiles, sponsor profiles, or a resource library where attendees can view and download important documents. Now, we've got a bunch of features to help engage your attendees and break down barriers to connection. The social wall gives people a space to post pictures, statuses, likes, and comments to build engagement and connection. Use the event game to drive attendees to key actions like stopping by a sponsor booth. Attendees are awarded with points for completing the challenges and can compete on the leaderboard. You can send custom push notifications to alert attendees about updated info, which is relevant to them. And with Shake and Connect, you can shake your phone and connect with other attendees that are shaking their phone in the same area. This makes it simple to take those real world connections into the digital world. Now let's move from the mobile app and explore the web app. For virtual or hybrid events, our web app is laid out a little bit differently, designed specifically for desktop devices using a web browser. Now, the lobby feature serves as a great first stop for attendees. You can show what's happening now, any speakers, sponsors, or video content. And remember, all this information is synced between the web and mobile app, so you're only loading it in one place. We have those same agenda items from the mobile app, but since this is a virtual or hybrid event, as soon as I click into one of the agenda items, the live stream instantly starts playing. You can use our built in studio for your streaming. You can connect feeds from an AV team or use whatever third party streaming solution you prefer. And features like chat, polling, Q&A, web links, even the social wall and event game, those are all still present. Going back to our in person experience, we have an excellent solution in our on site badge printing and check in. iPads, printers, routers, even badge stock can all be sent directly to your venue. And since we're using our own software, attendees can simply scan the QR code they get through registration, check into the event, and print their badge in a matter of seconds. For the sponsors and exhibitors, we have our own lead retrieval tool. Now, our lead retrieval allows for sponsors and exhibitors to scan those attendee QR codes, and it'll populate the information the attendee added to their profile directly into the lead retrieval app. The exhibitor can then export the leads and import them directly to their CRM. Now, if you're thinking this has got to be difficult to build, it's not. With our drag and drop solution, you can build out your event in a matter of minutes And if you have any questions, our expert staff is just a quick chat away. With a robust data dashboard for all our products, you'll have all the data you need to make informed decisions regarding your event and attendees. Now, we've covered a lot today. And if you want to learn more or have any questions, please let us know. We really look forward to working with you and putting on some amazing events.